everyone. Welcome to Visual Basic CIS-606, the fall 2023 term. My name is Patrick Dickey and I am your instructor, and I'm happy to have you here. It's been a few years since I've taught this class, and last time I taught it was face-to-face, so there's a few changes that we're going to find out together. First thing I'll do is I'll bring up my browser. You should already know how to get into the class. If not, you go to your EI Connect and log in there, and then from there you click on the My Canvas classes, and then you navigate there from the dashboard. Let me go into Student View so that it looks like what you'll see. There's going to be a few changes here and there that will be made after this video because I'm in the process of updating the course. So over on the left-hand side, you'll see announcements, assignments, discussions, grades, pages, files, all this. The main ones that we're going to care about are announcements, which right now I don't have any, but I may post some. The assignments section and the grades section, simple syllabus, and the vital source course materials. Those are the main ones that we care about. So the assignments, if you click on that, it'll just be a list of all the exercises. And then grades, obviously, is the individual grades for you. This is how it'll look. If I leave you feedback, there'll be a little blob over here, like a little speaking text message icon, and that's where you'll be able to read the feedback. You can also do things like if you uncheck this, you can put scores in here and it'll simulate a what if. So what if I got 200 on this? And then it shows you that would be your percentage. So then you can undo that and it goes back to normal. That's usually checked by default. So we probably won't use most of this. The files will be something you're going to want to go into. I'm going to hide most of this. The only thing that'll be here is the files that are pertaining to this class this term. These are from 2018. So, and they're a different book. Simple syllabus. Once I have it done, it'll be here. It's not done yet. So you've got the course evaluation. That'll be something you guys will have to do. The vital source course materials. In the past, you had to get an ebook or you had to get a textbook. They've integrated it into Canvas now. So when you click on that, it's going to take you to a page and in Vital Source, and it's going, for you, it'll actually have your textbook here. For me, it doesn't because I go about it a different way. So, but as you see, that actually opened up in a new tab. So you can go back to the class. In space, it's a place where you can collaborate with your classmates. I might set that up. I haven't really used it much. But I may use that for virtual office hours. Okay. So that should be a pretty good walk around the class. There's the revised due dates. I'll probably hide that. Let me show you how to submit assignment in case you've never done it. So you go into chapter 1 exercises, we'll say. This will actually be different because I'm going to change it up for the new book. So you click on Start Assignment, and then you can either upload a file You can do text entry. If it's a programming assignment, don't do that. Upload the file. If you upload a file, go to the parent folder and zip the entire solution, uh, entire project folder. Let me see if I can. I'll drag the window in a second. I'm just trying to find out if I have some in here. Don't think I do. Well, let's see. All right. Okay, so for the sake of this, we're going to say that this is the program, the project that you're doing. Inside of it, it'll have like a .sln file and a whole bunch of other stuff. Um, so this is actually a Python file, but you get the point that you can't just give me this or that. If you give me just part of it, I won't be able to open it. So you have to go to the parent folder, right click on it. Um, if you're on Windows 10, it'll look more like this. If you're on Windows 11, you'll have to do it this way. Either way, you can come down here to send to compressed file zip folder. If you've got this stored in like a Google Drive, you're able to link to it right there. Um, don't think it'll let you store to OneDrive. So then all you have to do is drag and drop. And that didn't work. So let's click on add a file and I'll try that again. If you have more than one file, click the add to file and drag all of them in one shot and then just drag it and put it right there on the upload file. Okay, so it's not working. All right. Okay, so that's what you have to do. Click the choose file, then drag it, drop it in. Click submit assignment. You get to see all the pretty balloons or confetti and balloons, and it's sitting there submitted for grade. If you want to try again, you click new attempt, and on my end, what I'll see is I will see every attempt that you make. So if you resubmit the assignments, I will see that and you can leave a comment in it. So let's say you put a comment, forgot something, and then you upload, you click it and you upload it again. That'll tell me that that's the one you want me to grade. So, okay. So then you go in grades. Grades will show that you submitted it. There's the comment thing right there. That's your comment saying forgot something. And then if I have feedback, it'll be in there as well. Um, so that gives you a quick overview of the class and how to get around. So I hope you enjoy the semester.